Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have for you unboxing of 3 Louis Vuitton SLGs, and yes, you've seen from the thumbnail I scored a second toiletry pouch 26 this year. Unbelievable, but I'm not selling it. But before we start with unboxings, let me share and inspire you with my outfit of the day. So today I'm a little bit elegant lady. So I'm wearing this top, which I got from TkMaxx a couple of months ago. It's from a brand called Soaked in Luxury. Not that expensive brand though, but it's called Soaked in Luxury. And I'm wearing a wide leg, high-waisted pants from Zara. And I was wearing this with boots. So that was my outfit for today. And I was wearing also this beauty here. This is my new YSL college bag, which I absolutely adore. If you don't know me, my name is Natalia and I am self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you like shopping, luxury handbags, affordable outfits, beauty and all the stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below. And if you consider yourself a shopaholic like me, please give a like to that video or give a like if you enjoy it so YouTube is happy. Thank you very much. And now let's jump into unboxing. So where do we start? I have 3 items and maybe I will start with the item that I wanted the most. So I was looking for... No, let's open it first. So this is the item, the little box, very cute. And I got that gift packaging. And you know what? I'm such a sucker for that beautiful packaging, ribbons and boxes and all those... I love it, I love it, I love it, I keep it, I store it, I pile it up, the Louis Vuitton boxes. I will insert a video here. I just love that. But anyway, in the summer they were not actually packaging it like this. Very often I even didn't get ribbon, but now there were ribbons and all those beautiful things. So this is like for writing a note if it's a gift. That's a gift for myself. By the way, November is my birthday, end of November. So we are just in the beginning of November, so I'm going to shop and unbox, and you know, like it's the time of the year when I'm allowed to spend whatever. So let's say that this is one of the first purchases for that. So let's open it. So let me take those beautiful ribbons and this. I'm very professional in that job. You can see that already slipped off, almost slipped out. So I got a wallet, and I got the wallet which exactly I wanted, the colors and the style. So this is a so-called Recto Verso wallet. I think it's called wallet. Anyway, it's called Recto Verso. Everybody knows on YouTube what it is. And I was thinking to get a proper wallet, like from a luxury brand, and I was thinking to get it from Louis Vuitton in canvas because it's durable, and you know, I'm throwing wallets here and there. You want to have that wallet for a while, and like, you know, I don't like scratches, I don't like, you know, when items get ruined, so it had to be a very durable material. So that's why I was aiming for canvas, and there were a few wallets I considered. One was the Juliet wallet, which was launched not so long time ago, but it's very big actually, I didn't like it. And there was another one which I was looking at, if I remember I will insert the picture, and none of them were actually okay. So I was looking at a few of them and they were actually either big or not that functional, and surprisingly I went for this one, but I was very specific. I wanted to get Damier Ebene because I actually have that one vintage bag in Damier Ebene, and I wanted the red because I think red with Damier Ebene, it looks so beautiful. And of course it wasn't in the first store that I walked in Rome, but the lady checked for me, and it was in another Louis Vuitton in Rome, which I had to run early when they opened the next day to get it, so to make sure that it's not sold out before I come, because you know how it is. So let me show you maybe a bit closer. So of course it has that pocket, and I use coins, so I need that. And actually here you have that red interior, which I knew it's red inside. I loved it, that, and I wanted the red with brown. Very beautiful combination. On the back there is place for cards, and there are some of those stickers that Louis is, you know, giving us. Here, so let's keep them here for now. And it has that opening, like it's a key pouch here, which I think I will probably use for coins. So there it has that key ring, and then it's red inside here as well. So yeah, that's how it is here, and inside. So very beautiful. I was so happy because I actually was a little bit late to the store. I didn't go there at 10 when they opened. I think I got there around 12, like around lunchtime, and I was like, do you have it? Do you have it? And she was looking, and she brought me another color, I think pink or something. I was, no, not this one, not this one. Not monogram, this one. And then she actually looked up, oh yeah, we have that. Yeah. So I was really happy that I managed to get this beautiful piece for my wallet, and I'm filming that unboxing as soon as I got home because I want to use it. So that's the first piece, and the second piece I got, which I wasn't sure if I actually need that piece. Maybe it's actually useful. So let me show you the second item. So here we have again the beautiful box. You know, it feels like Christmas already, like opening those boxes, putting those ribbons off, taking the ribbons off. You know, I'm so excited I cannot even speak. So let's just get out with the ribbon. And here we have another tiny item. And we have here, oh, it's very tight, the key pouch, the 4-ring key pouch. So I was looking at the 6-ring key holder. I was looking at the 6 key holder for my boyfriend, and then I started thinking like maybe I should get it for myself because, well, the reason actually is that I would never think I need this item until I start buying luxury handbags, and then every time I put the keys there, I get like a little bit, you know, will it ruin the bag? Will I get scratches inside? So I started thinking maybe I should start using this thing. And the 6 keys, first of all, I don't have 6 keys, so really I don't need that much. And it's bigger. And I thought that this one is so cute because it fits into my hand, and it will be very convenient to take it with me. Also, I can put like the key that I have for my office at work. So I think it's very, very practical, and it should be very useful for me. Well, but I have never used that kind of item, so I hope I didn't spend money like in a stupid way. By the way, this was unbelievably cheap for Louis Vuitton because it's like 155 euro, and as far I know, it actually hasn't increased in the last price increase in October. So they're really, you know, affordable items from Louis. And the other one, the 6 keys holder, cost 180 euro. So yeah, for Louis, like, wow, that's a bargain. And of course, you probably know how it looks. Oh, I've been holding it upside down. So inside you have those 4 hooks, as you probably know, that you can attach your keys. And the cool thing is also that they can go this way. So if you have a bulky key, like a car key, or that, you know, not that now we don't have keys, or that, you know, big bulky, you know, remote, it can be just outside. It doesn't have to be inside to ruin the item. And also I liked about it that it has that pocket here, like the leather is, you know, lifting, and you can put something in, like, and maybe fold a bill if you want to take it with you. Yeah, there is his, here it's this. And what is cool about the 6 key holder, that you can actually fit a credit card or, you know, any card behind that, so it's even nicer. But I preferred this one because, as I said, it can close into my palm and my hand like this, and I think it will be very nice and useful for me. So yeah, that's the item number 2. And now let me tell you a little bit story about the toiletry pouch 26, which is the second toiletry pouch which I got within like 3-4 months. So I have been incredibly lucky during summer when I traveled, that I found toiletry pouch 15 on the shelf in Louis Vuitton, and I just asked, oh, you have them? And she's like, yes, we have all the sizes. So I of course bought the 15, and I bought 26. And because of all of those, you know, dramas and rumors that it's discontinued and it's so hard to get, of course it is hard to get, I took a little project to ask about toiletry pouch 26 in every Louis Vuitton that I walk in. And I walked into 2 Louis Vuitton in Rome and to the third one in Manchester. And in Manchester I had just stopover, like kind of forced stopover. So I went there to just have a look in the shops, not really planning to buy anything. My suitcases were full to the rim. And I was just walking there, smelling perfumes, looking what they have in the store. I asked a lady, like, oh, do you maybe have mini pochette? Because I don't have mini pochette. And I was thinking, well, I can ask. And she said, no, we don't. I was like, yeah, I thought so. Like, you know, I didn't even have hope. And I was like, I don't think you have, but I will just ask, do you maybe have any toiletry pouches? And she was like, oh yeah, I think we have. And I was like, what? So she went to check and then she was like, you know, picking the items. So like, oh, which size do you have? And she said 26. Like, I could not believe that. Like, seriously, I could not believe that. Like I just walked and I had no hope even. And, you know, I didn't even needed that. I was, you know, if I was able to get it, I was getting it for my mom, because my mom is not really a luxury lover. She doesn't buy that kind of stuff, and you know, it's too, in her, you know, opinion, it's too expensive. But when I showed her mine and that you can turn it into a bag and it looks so cool, so then she was like, okay, that's, you know, that I can do. And she was like, if you find one, I was like, okay, I will try, but don't have hopes. And here we go. And actually I'm filming this on her birthday, so she was very lucky. So that's the story, that's how I got it. So let me show you. So here we have the huge box, which comes with toiletry pouch 26. The pouch is not that big, but I think they don't have any other size of the box, so the previous one came also in this huge box. And of course the beautiful packaging. Which I assembled those ribbons myself because, well, I was already out of space with my luggage and I bought this. And you see that box is huge and I brought it with me. But I will show you, because I think not everybody knows that you can fold Louis boxes. Gucci boxes you cannot fold because they are glued. But Louis boxes you can actually fold them and you can bring them in your suitcase, taking very little space, but they are heavy. If you have a couple of items, you know, it adds up to the weight. Anyway, so let's get into this one. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26, brand new, fresh. They were talking about smelling. I don't smell anything, but it's brand new. And I bought it in Manchester just by walking into the store and asking. So that's the toiletry pouch 26, very new. It has that bruschetta intact. And of course inside, I mean, there's no point of showing, everybody I think knows how it looks. This is the one that I got in July. So do we have any differences? So that's the front side. So the two of them. So here. Oh, and I can see that the bruschetta is a little bit darker on the one that I had longer. So that's the only difference. The bruschetta color is a little bit darkened on the previous one, which I actually didn't even notice when I was having this one. I thought it was still the same. These are scores of my life, or at least of the 2021. Like, who would think that I will be able to get 2 toiletry pouches 26 in a year? Like, I didn't. I would never think that. And I remember when Angelique was talking about converting it into a bag, and that was the first video which actually convinced me that it's okay to use it as a bag. And I was like, oh, and it's discontinued, so okay, whatever. Like, I come there without hope and then I get lucky. I wasn't lucky with mini pochette because I asked a few times, once I think in the summer, and here I think 2 or 3 times, and none of them had the mini pochette. But I asked about toiletry pouches and then they had them. So the conclusion is, you have to ask. And I have a theory that actually in Europe, however, I mean, buying it in Manchester in the UK, it's probably very, very lucky. But I had a theory that in Europe, in smaller places, or in general, maybe in Europe, maybe it's more available. And at the end, I want to just show you for entertainment how to fold Louis Vuitton boxes. I think not everybody knows that you can do that. And it was really, I discovered this by accident because actually a box was kind of not folded properly. So I could see that something is there. And I was like, oh, why are those, you know, things here? So I had to pull them, and then the box is flattening, and then you fold it like this, and you can just put your into, of course, bigger luggage. This kind of box you have to put into the check-in luggage. If it's a smaller box, then maybe you can manage with within a carry-on. So this is how I actually transport all my Louis Vuitton boxes when I shop abroad, and then come home to Iceland. Okay, so that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me. I hope I gave you hope about getting toiletry pouch 26. Not that I just pissed you off that I got 2 of them and you cannot get 1. Just go to Louis Vuitton and keep asking, and you might be just lucky, because nobody probably asks about them even, because nobody thinks they are there. Good luck with your hunt. If you do hunt one, please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious, and I'm kind of doing that kind of research, investigating how difficult it is to get, and if it's good. And I think I might keep asking, probably not buying anymore if they have, but I might keep asking at Louis about mini pochette and toilet pouch 26, just to see how often I can actually score one. And I'm saying, like, I'm not going to buy another one because there is no point for me to do that, but just for my curiosity. So let me know if you scored one, how did you do this, if you had to wait, if you had to ask your SA, or if you just, like me, walk in and ask, oh, do you have that one? And they said, oh yeah, we do. So thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, take care. Bye.